3, 2, 1. Let's go. Wait. Is everything okay?
The screen haven't changed yet.
It's still at streaming starting soon.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, wait. Okay. Can everyone hear us?
Hey, the screen still got overlapping. My camera got overlapping.
I think it's a
Top
lag.
left.
I think it's a lag. My side already setting everything
I can.
already.
Oh.
So I think everyone is able to see the live already, right? I think we can just start right away, Lawrence.
Yeah.
I think everything should be
Can.
good, right? Okay.
Yep.
Very good evening to everyone, to fellow members. Okay, so how was the past 2 days been doing? I bet you guys can catch a very good trades yesterday with Lawrence, definitely, where I'm not around. Even though Sunday weekly outlook we already have given all the weekly outlooks, eventually the trade was running pretty well with the gold. So what do we do is going to do a small recap on how the price action for the past 2 days. So from the past 2 days, we already forecasted on the Sunday itself, around here, there is a 4-hour fair value gap resting above right here. Eventually, we do a limit orders right here, place above this candle high, and then we do a sell limit orders. The moment it sting in, this high at a lower time frame is a protected high. It should be protected and holding the order flows going lower. So from the 4-hour time frame, yes, the price eventually sting into this our POI levels, then dump eventually. So what do we do next is, the moment it sting right, we definitely need to find in the hours. Do give me a second. Okay, so the moment it sting in during London and New York session, this was still in the London Q zone. The moment it sting in right, we do have the opportunity. The price did show us a very good BPR in here from this range. What is a BPR? Is actually a balanced price action, whereby the fair value gaps opposing to another sides of the fair value gaps. For example, a BPR is formed by a bullish fair value gap and then following with a bearish fair value gaps. Eventually, the price did sting in and place the protected high according to the higher time frame. Then eventually it dumped very massively for the second day. The first day we didn't took the trade because it was consolidating due to the US and the Canadian banks holiday. Eventually, the
You
following
can hear me. Alright.
eventually this dump was swept before the dump happened on the New York near is like a late London session. It's sting in, then eventually dump all the way. So this is the main thing what we see. So it's either you trading from a lower time frame or a higher time frame, you will never leave the higher time frame bias, context, and narrative before your entry model. Basically, yes, this is the most outlook of the for gold. For the rest of the majors, we'll take a look into it in a short while, and we'll go through one by one what is the market is going. There is Zob's news upcoming, so this is what we can do to guide you to be a better trader. Lawrence, anything to touch on your side?
Yeah. Okay. Am I on YouTube? I'm not on YouTube. I didn't that. What? I'm not on YouTube. I didn't that. Oh, what is it? Yes. Yeah. Okay.
Ming-Xuan, I think everyone can hear you on live. Ming-Xuan, I think everyone can hear you on live. I think they go another room already. How to shift?
Yeah.
Yeah, can hear or not, Lawrence?
I can hear you now.
Yeah. I think just now they can actually
Yo,
hear,
what's up? Hello.
can
Oh,
hear
shit,
hear
that's
us, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tapi
So
benar tu.
the sound, everything is okay?
Yes, everything's fine.
Okay. Maybe you want to touch on something on regarding the what they call WTI oil, crude oil. You want to do some recap?
Crude oil.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Uh, Give me a second. How am I going to show your screen?
Yeah, how am I going to show my screen? Let me just screen share.
Yeah, I think screen share. Then I add your link inside.
Can see?
Give me a sec. Lawrence, chart.
Can see my screen, right? Can.
Can. Can see better.
Like that can.
I think should be okay. Everyone can see it. Yes.
Okay. So basically, on crude oil for now. So Monday has printed out some price action for us. Tuesday has also printed out price action for us. So I actually use AMDX, and so the first quarter, which is Monday, is actually A. This second quarter which is Tuesday, is M. So price actually distributed or manipulated downwards in this direction. He actually manipulated downwards, and it shows me that, oh, Tuesday is actually a downward movement. So we actually for swing trades today to see crude oil possibly flying upwards, because for distribution on a Wednesday, when price, I will be looking for but long entries, possibly at this golden zone for crude oil. But if this BPR forms by the end of 9 o'clock, I will not be looking to long anymore. And then if we drop down to the 5-minute time frame, price in the morning has actually reversed or continued during the Asian session, which actually went down. And then for London session, it actually it actually accumulated because it opened and closed at the same place. And then for the New York session, we may see price either distributing upwards or potentially downwards. But right now it's looking very bearish if this M5 BPR actually forms. And this is the MSS forms right here. So there could be both long and short entries for crude oil at the moment, but the price action is quite iffy, so I may not want to. Then I will take a crude oil trade there. Then for Nasdaq I don't really have any interest in trading this pair today for Nasdaq, cause the POIs are all out of range and they
Bro,
most likely will not obey
your
POIs
sharing
today.
chart was end already. I mean, like, show again.
Okay.
Maybe you share the screen again.
Let's see.
Yeah, can. Right now, okay.
So for Nasdaq I don't really have any POIs at the moment, because all the POIs are mostly gonna get destroyed. As you can see, Nasdaq is very bearish at the moment because of the Nvidia chip crashing yesterday. It actually drove tech stocks down because of the Nvidia chip. And then we can also take a look at gold. My gold outlook and Brian's gold outlook is both completely different, so but then we'll come to conclusion to take a trade later.
Right.
But right now what I'm seeing is gold shorts at the moment, cause now we have a H1 FVG formed right here, and it aligns with the OTE entry. So it bounced off. It didn't exactly bounce off the OTE for me. So I will look to retest this OTE, find an M5, and then we can short downwards. I believe that it will distribute downwards because liquidity hasn't been swept fully at the 2470 range, which is right here. This liquidity where people's stop loss are placed at 2471 hasn't been swept properly. And then there's even a break of structure here to indicate that, oh, price wants to continue go traveling upwards. So this big green candle could just indicate that, oh, this is just a retracement back to the FVG to collect more orders before actually distributing back downwards. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm only looking particularly at gold at the moment because all the other pairs, the price action quite iffy.
Yeah, I think that's a pretty good outlook from Lauren's side. So what are we going to do next is we are going to find some setup. So what are you looking for, Lawrence?
For setup for gold,
On go, right?
particularly looking at gold right now.
Okay. Personally, I do have some short bias on the majors itself. Potentially could trade off EU. Okay, let me show some chart. Give me a second. Can everyone see the chart? Oh, okay. My setup just melted from here. From 1 hour time frame buyers. Today open at this draw on liquidity. Supposed to be this thing in that I was looking for. But it's not hindsight. I'm still looking for it. It's okay, we can still get a bunch of good trades from the gold itself. Potentially from this 1 hour. Okay, at this 1 hour BPR as well. Initially, my thought is still the same. This could be a new protected high. New protected high. From 5-minute time frame, it does looks like a swing failure at this high. The moment close below here or here. I want to see having a overlapping, maybe this one. Let me check on 15. This could be decent. Doing something, a sting in, continue all the way down, but this close above is a bit suspicious for me. So it's either this high holds or this high holds. If both didn't hold, it will just continue higher, going all the way to these liquidity highs. Liquidity all the way potentially to this high as well. Everything is just liquidity above here. The moment if these both high fail to hold. Okay, let's see if there is a 15-minute fair value gap. Lawrence, what do you think? This could be a sweep or a disrespect of this sweep. Looking something like this could be decent. But what I don't like to see is if there is a 5-minute fair value gap or a 5-minute close above here, it could just continue pumping higher, respected of the 1 hour PD array right here as well. So my bias is also 50-50 on it. This could be the new protected low. So we are currently stuck in a PD array. Something like this. Rough, your cans is gone. Bro, your cam wasn't on. So since we are waiting this, maybe we set an alert. The break below here should have a confirmation from the 1 minute already. The order flow. We want it to break this low. So what we can do is just set the alert right here to see is a check on break above or below. Seems like it's a sweep. Since we are waiting, maybe we just look through the overall outlook of the DXY. Indeed, price since the forecasted on Sunday, we do actually price just play out and a little consolidation before reaching the weekly fair value area. So what do I expect there is a two range from the daily itself. There is two range to observe at this daily candle range. It could just sweep the previous daily low to then continue higher, targeting the weekly fair value area, to then show us some intention from the 4-hour time frames, like a BPR, like exactly this. A sting into it and then form a BPR opposing to each other, the fair value gap itself, following with a sting in and created a new order flow. We will be in at this area, this and this area. So how do we get involved into the trades? Basically, the moment is just sting in, we just observe based on the fair value gaps itself. So how do we actually identify fair value gaps? So fair value gaps are created by 3 candles. How does it looks like? Let me show you some live examples. Okay, so a bullish fair value gap or a bearish fair value gap, as long as it's a fair value gap, it requires 3 candles. So what are these 3 candles? The first candle high and the expansion candle of the second candle body, then created the third candle low itself. Those candle lows didn't overlapping with the first candle high. Between it there is a gap that is called a fair value gap, which is the price requires you can say so is a imbalance in price. So the price need to be filled the imbalance before heading higher to another high. So how do we trade off with the fair value gaps? First, you need the bias of the price actions, you need the narratives from the higher time frame, the context of it, of the directions, and then the smaller time frame, which is the lower time frame execution, and then the most important is the risk management. Yes, basically that's all for the whole idea, the whole concept that we've been using. So let me guide you guys in depth into how to actually just find a high probability fair value gaps. I know you can just find fair value gaps everywhere. So from these all the fair value gaps requires the higher time frame bias and narratives. So since it's the first week of demand, maybe we just do a drop down analysis first, a top down analysis. So from here we can see in the minimized range we do see a range of consolidation, still in a range of consolidation since July of 2023, and the low was the October 2023. This was 22. It's okay, it's not that much of relevant, but from we just focus on the latest price action. So we are still in this range. Then the closest range was this high, the nearest low was this low. So what do we expect from here? The price from the monthly time frame did sweep a high, so we wouldn't know. Since the price is bullish, sting into it, I expect a continuation bullish from this price potentially it could just leave a new monthly fair value gap, which is currently still cooking. So from the weekly itself, the weekly time frame, okay, let me remove this. Also the same, by using fair value gap itself, it could just tell us a lot of story. What kind of story we can tell us, which is leaving a fair value gaps, which mean showing the price showing an intention to continuing push higher. But do we just enter the moment of the fair value gap forms? It depends, because in fair value gaps there is a lot of fair value gaps as well, like breakaway gaps, respected fair value gaps, and disrespected kind of fair value gaps. So what are those like disrespected kind? So the moment this fair value gaps form, right, the first candle, yes, didn't get the first and the third candle didn't close, it does leave with a momentum, a big body candle. That's very good sign. If then the third candle form, it actually just closed above the second candle high. So what does it mean is this second candle high closes above it, which means the price hardly likely going to trade back into it until the price reach the targeted high at this high, which is initially the price wanted to target. So from this point, after the price reached its target, the price decided to do a retracement. So what are those respected and disrespected kind? So fair value gaps, there is another, if you guys notice it, a fair value gap created at between this gap as well, from here to here, right? But why do price coming back into a lower one instead just respected off here? So we need to dive into to break down the studies. So from here, the price decide to go continuing lower, we wouldn't know, even though we do see it goes continue lower. But the main thing, the rationale and the logic behind it is the price did took out a major drawn liquidity. It's also from a weekly swing high. So from this weekly swing high, right, what we can do is to wait to whether see the price is going to disrespect this weekly fair value gap or respect the weekly fair value gap. But I know you guys will be asking, if we want to see a disrespect, a close inside of these fair value gaps, wouldn't I will just wait for a week for just to see this candle? Is there any way for us to identify the trade, maybe spot it earlier? Yes, definitely you could do that. From this candle forming inside itself, I believe so in a lower time frame there is a BPR forming the moment the candle flips the whole body itself. So from the weekly itself, I expect from the 4-hour time frame, it could just form a BPR inside this candle range. Okay, let me mark it out. So from this high to this high, okay, this is from the weekly time frame. You guys remember? So from the 4-hour time frame, yes, this was the weekly high and the weekly low. So you do notice there is a fair value gap in after sweeping this high, a fair value gap in, but the price failed to continuing higher, whereby the price didn't eventually breaking this high. So we do expect a reversal, but we couldn't take an entry trade from here yet, following another fair value gap form again and again. So from here, we do have noticed there is a 2 fair value gap leaving behind, which is a fair breakaway gap. Let me check on the daily time frame. Yes. So from this 4-hour range also, right? From this 4-hour range, a 4-hour BPR following with a fair value gap, it does sting in and respected with a new order flow at here. Okay, so from the 1-hour time frame, the moment it sting in, right, you can started to look for a setup. So from here, after it sting in the 4-hour time frame, right, there is a 1-hour BPR form right here as well. A fair value gap in, following by a fair value gap out. So how do we actually just so how do we actually get into an entry? So you have your higher time frame bias, a weekly sweep forming a lower time frame reversal, and then you have your entry time frame. So you can just have the 1-hour fair value gap as your entry point. To be more secure, you can put at the respected fair value gap highs, maybe at here, and then target the fair value gap created right here. So even though it doesn't look that actually nice, there is quite a rangy, but after the sting in, it does consolidate a bit, but eventually the sting in, the high of the candles and the structure of the candles, the PD arrays are protected. The high doesn't get broken. So this is how we can just trade off from fair value gaps itself only. And also one thing to emphasize was the PD arrays. Basically, that's how we spot the trades. Yeah, that would be all from my side. Let's check. Since our alert doesn't rank, I could just probably okay, it's still in the range. Well, okay, this looks interesting. Disrespect of a bullish fair value gaps. This sells could be decent. I want to see a break below at this range. Lawrence, I can't hear you. Lawrence, I can't hear you. Are you speaking?
No, I'm not speaking.
Okay.
My camera not there, by the way.
Yeah, I know, like, because you didn't show your cam also.
It's off.
Yeah, your cam
it's
is off.
I didn't realize.
Yeah, your cam is off. Okay.
Got potential crude oil entries, bro.
Potential crude oil entries, yeah. Give me a second. Let me try. Why I can't reset your
Well, I need to find the broker that uses that has the same, yeah, I think this broker got the same price. Think markets.
Think markets.
Yeah, never hear before, but it's the same price. Oh, the M5 forming really. Ooh.
Gold.
Crude oil.
This is nice. Okay. Okay. Gold looks good. Gold looks good.
Gold is, it looks like a sell, but don't want say so much that
Looks like a sell.
if the MSS,
Created.
come got the sell model. But then the higher time frame to me is by
You mean from the 1 hour time
higher
frame
time
itself?
frame is, yeah, 1 hour time frame buy, then smaller time frame sell.
But for me, sell probability looks higher. Yeah, that's what I see because
Oh,
actually
cause like
there
the
is
break
a
of structure, right?
because there is a how to say, there is a 4 hour fair value get respected and the high also respected unless this protected high, this 4 hour fair value gap didn't form. It just hopefully it just flip. Okay, it's like a break below. Let's see how it's a sweep or a break.
Could be both, but looks like I think it's gonna break. Cause the UCH4 still got liquidity haven't take yet.
You mean from the 2470?
The
Is it?
2470 area.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I also
correct.
saw that
2470
at this
zone.
low. Haven't taken out yet. It's looked like a swing failure before it. I think it sweep enough
Yeah.
liquidity for the from the
Should be going down
sales.
to take some more.
Yeah, this one. This is what I see. I think this low was the is it from the daily or weekly bias? Yeah. Yeah. It's from the weekly itself.
M5 got a unicorn. M5 got a unicorn on go now, bro.
Sells.
If the unicorn can sell, can grow soon.
Yeah,
If
hopefully
the
it,
thing go below the unicorn form, bro.
hopefully it close below with body gap lah. If not, also bopian.
Then like that, it confluence for me to
Short.
with the MSS. Then I take downwards already. I already in a sell, bro.
Actually, I also. The moment it sweep the
You
high
also in a
and
sell,
just break below, my SL at this
yeah.
high. This high. The moment this sweep, yeah, the moment this sweep, my SL where? My entry was about this, yeah, this one. From the 5-minute time frame,
Yeah, then we in the same position. We both selling.
yeah, the moment this candle it sweep and then form this down candle, it's a 1 minute BPR, I guess. Yeah, it's a 1 minute, 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 1 minute,
Looks good, looks good.
Yeah, looks good for me as well. Hopefully it just hold lah.
Yeah, my SL I think 2496. 2495, 2495. There.
2495 ah. Yep.
Yeah.
Oosh, the melt is a bit mad.
Oi. You in already, right?
Yeah, I'm in already. At
The
8
unicorn form
This
already.
one, my position was 8-8. My full
Eh,
TP at here. Maybe I
Oi.
70-90. Yeah. 2470.
Oi. How many are?
About 7
Ah.
7-1 like this. Accounted spread ah.
Oi.
Yup. Okay. I think should be good to go.
Actually, you can give premium the BB entries,
The BB's entry ah.
the unicorn setup. The unicorn setup. If he forms, can take.
Anyone can spawn, like, wait. I think we can just send it to the vets. But
Okay, I
5
send.
minute, yeah, can you do a send? Maybe we can just record our wins as well.
Can.
Yes.
Okay, let's see how this trade plays out.
Let's go.
The BB.
But it doesn't close below. It's sweeping left and right, up and down.
See, maybe the thing sit below. I mean, close below. We got 3 more minutes for this candle to close.
Yeah, just let it be. Going to, I be right back. Toilet break.
Okay. TP. SLTP trade, bro. Wait, we have the BB forming. Which high to cover? This one for premium. Golden pips haven't sent out yet. Golden pips haven't cover. Golden pips entry just now run 30 pips. Interesting. The BB never form, bro, the unicorn.
Yo was
Need to wait.
wait,
I'm just gonna
wait, what's
put my eyes at the recent swing high.
yep, same. 9-1 plus, right? Is it?
No, I put at 9. I put at 995.
9-5 ah?
Yeah,
But if that swing high going, oh, you mean this 9682? Is it? About there?
around there. Around there. Cause maybe he still want to go sweep. Cause now closing on to 930 soon. When the true volume come, then maybe he will sweep the top, then continue going down. So I just scared I may become inducement. Cause if you can see the tree, got like one quadruple top there. They never sweep properly yet.
Mm-hmm.
91,
Ah,
the 91.3 area.
yeah, I saw it.
So you'll be safer if got the MSS, the true MSS form. Because all of this is just weak closers.
Yeah.
No, we're not
Like in
re-entering
5
because we
minutes, it's
already
not like
inside.
entirely, how to say, close below it, right? I get what you mean. It's like it's still
We're still
playing.
inside, bro.
Yeah, it's still inside the candle range. If this dump, it should be dumped all the way to 70 already.
Should be still got the quite confident in this trade cause 7-0 haven't take yet.
Yeah, same.
Never like take fully yet.
My buy is still short anyway.
Yeah. Tusha, if you want to look for an entry first, then maybe you wait for the MSS, then you play with the FVG first. Cause there's a unicorn setup there, but I think the unicorn setup got invalidated so many times because of like all the weak closes.
Yeah, Tusha, we actually doesn't have the re-entering. We did took the trades earlier, according to our strategy and everything. We do have our trading plans. Tusha also can do see MSS. I think Tusha also SMC trader, right?
Yeah, SMC ICT trader.
Sweet. Okay, so I think yeah, it's still a bunch of waitings, nothing special. Since we are waiting for this setup to form, why not we just talk something about time and prices?
Time and price.
Yes.
Oh,
Okay, so time and prices, right? Like it's not that complicated. It's just you have to know which session has the most volume. In sessions, in trading session, we do have like uh, Asian sessions, London sessions, and New York sessions. The most volatile and the most volume came in is from the overlapping from the London and the overlapping with the New York Open itself. So within this time of periods, right, the trading volumes will be massively up. Okay, so what are we going to benefit from? How are we going to benefit from the volumes itself? So from the prices, you can see, which is we are usually trading from off and trading from the price actions first of all. Then the second thing, we'll need to check the fundamentals. So like for today's fundamentals, let me show my Forex factory so you guys can have a look on the chart as well. So from this Forex factory, right, you can see there is, for today, there is for US dollar, like Canadian just coming up, is going to coming up at 9:45. BOC rate statement, overnight rate coming up 10 o'clock. There is a USD news and Canadian news for Jones opening and the press conference. The most concerned news are those in red folders. So what are we going to expect? We avoid trading before the news. Maybe if the setup does form, we'll take it. Potentially the price just follow through or take us out during the news release. But we are okay, definitely we are okay with that because we do our risk management very well. We know how much we risk, how many percentage we risk, and it's still in our risk appetite. Be it could be just a win or just a loss. Coming back to the time and price, whereby we trade only in the Q zone, which is currently the London Q zone is starting from 2 p.m. Malaysia time or Singapore time, 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. After that, coming to New York session. From New York, the pre-New York is started from 8:30 until 8:30 until 12 p.m. 12 a.m. sorry, before the volume actually just died down. We just make sure we trade within this period of time, which is what we call Q zones, and we should be able to catch the momentum in, but just different way. So that's about time and prices. Tusha is entering at 90 to 95 area. Yeah, that could be really decent after sweeping the triple tops high. Yeah, I think it's a triple tops high. Looks like a equal high liquidity to me. Yeah. Everyone can hear the music well or not?
Cannot really hear.
Oh, can't really hear, is it? How about now?
Wait, I'm waiting for the stream to load.
Okay.
Yeah, I can hear.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, we wait for the M5 to form, then we can give the entry to premium.
Yeah. But actually I want to see actually it close below this low instead of like coming back up with a wick.
Makes sense, makes sense. Right now is waiting for the 9:30 volume come, bro.
Everyone who are watching, just like give us a like down below there and just click a subscribe so you can interact with us, chat with us, any questions that you guys wanted to ask, you can just ask after subscribing us.
Hey Brian, he asked you what's an FG, bro.
FVG, yeah. Okay. So what is FVG? Is the in full term is called fair value gaps. So fair value gaps are actually the price with it looks like a footprints of the price actions. This is how I understand fair value gaps. Yep. Showing the intention of the price and the momentum of the price. Mike Hats, hope it's answer your questions. The sweep is a bit nice though from a 5-minute time frame. I like how it flipped the whole candle.
Yeah, bro. Last minute fix out.
Yeah. Hopefully this is the new protected high. You just wait.
Yeah, waterfall already, bro. Waterfall.
Come on, just close below, man. From a 15-minute.
Come, bro. Waterfall. Waterfall.
Thank you, Mike. Thank you for dropping by. Yeah, the dump a big net though. Come on, close below. Let's see how these 5 minutes hold or not. Close below. If it does, this could be fun.
Close below, bro. If it close below, can shake leg already, bro.
Yeah. Well, currently is another 30 pips dump for me. If this unicorn hold from 3 minutes, I guess. Hope we close with a 3 minute fair get. Yeah, I think 1 minute is decent for the unicorn. 1 minute unicorn could be nice from here. Taking a trades off something like this. It could really be decent about this high. Give me a sec. Something like this. Then all the way to 71, maybe a counter spread. Okay, a sting in. Let's see. Still bunch of 15.
4 hours.
Yeah, I think it's about 4R. Almost 5R though. Let's see how if this 1 hour order flow holds or not.
Walao, this candle.
Yeah, a bit if
3 black spider.
What the hell is that? 3 black spider. Come on, one
The
more.
2 inverse
three-
spider, bro.
2 inverse spider. I thought the bullish one was the what they call 3 white knight, is it?
The staircase one. The 3 good spider, bro.
3 good spider. Come on, just give it a huge down from it. The 5-minute candle closed like a sweep of nothing.
Retail trader see this as bullish flag, bro.
Bullish flag means a bullish order flow coming. Is it?
Bullish flag. Breakout means buy already, bro.
You mean break out the 90s high?
Yeah. That's the flagpole, the long climb up.
Okay, I get what you mean. Is it like this? Oh, sorry, it's not a woof. The momentum is a bit mad. Come on.
Pushing down,
You mean this whole thing is a bullish black flag, is it? Like this?
Yeah.
Like something like this?
Then the pole is on the left, bro.
The pole is on the left. Ah, I see. I get what you mean. This could be decent.
I always the TikTok video bullish flag
Yeah,
pattern from
bullish flag. From 1 minute. Like, seriously? This could be decent for them.
yeah.
Maybe a breakout lower. It could just continuing lower.
Maybe the rally channel, bro.
Seriously, let me go and have
The
a look.
pump and rally. Ui, yo.
How was the down?
Wait, he closed below it. Haven't closed yet.
Haven't. 5 minute haven't. But seems like the 5 minute order flow is like start showing up. If this just range here, I think probably is going to be an afternoon swing.
No lah, confirm got the 9:30. The 9:30 thing. But then later Canadian news won't really affect.
Maybe 10 o'clock jokes, I bet so.
Maybe it will dump first before it pump up.
Yeah,
If it dump to TP first, right, later confirm is a buy, bro.
yeah. If By then it's a sweep lah. By then.
Yeah. Walao, then the thing close with week again.
Yeah. Never mind. We just wait 50 minutes. Seems like it wants to break lower because after sweeping this high, we haven't break the low yet. So we are still in the range. This is definitely the draw liquidity. Okay.
Ooh, aggressive.
Market open.
Market open neutral.
Let's see if our priors is right. Come on, man.
M5 form, we take already, bro.
But I think it's going to be a rangy after maybe the true volume after Zod, then probably will come.
When the whole thing goes, man. I don't know whether can hold two groups. I don't know. That must consider later.
Consider later, right?
Could be part of the silver bullet, bro. Silver bullet downwards.
Let's see how if the price want to show us the downwards. Oh, is it the song is too loud? Okay, let me do some adjustment. Yeah. How about now? Tusha, is it better?
Yeah, it's better, bro.
Okay. Alright. A high set, maybe a few swing failure potentially, but it looks like a breaker. In 1 minute, see how if there is a BPR holding right here potentially. If it's flipped below, then it could be nice. Let's see how the momentum came.
Oh, Nasdaq volume crazy.
Yeah. How's Nasdaq doing?
Nasdaq pumping.
Dump or pump? After the sweep.
Pumping.
Pumping.
Wow, gold also pumping now. Interesting. wanted to take a long on Nasdaq.
Off a daily seems like decent though. Give me a second, be right back.
Honestly, I think should be quite safe for the go trade, because there's a lot of protected highs for this. Quite an interesting trade. Nvidia dumping because of the chip stock. Aggressive pump, very aggressive pump.
Yes, boys, I'm back.
My sound low. Okay, bro, I increase sound for you, bro.
Could this be a 5-minute BPR for us? Or a 5-minute?
Bullish, ah.
This one is a 5-minute bullish fair value gap so far.
No lah. I don't think the bullish average will form.
Let's see how. It's still at my entry point.
Yes, it's at my entry also.
Come on, a little bit more.
Allow it. The sell volume like there, but then like don't know why it's not going down.
Yeah, I also wonder why. Maybe waiting for the jobs opening.
Joe's got that much impact, man. Joe's don't really have much impact, what?
I think it's still have lah. Still have their own momentum, because coming up is NFP also, unless it's going to be range. Oh yeah, by the way, tomorrow we will potentially should be a short stream, because we usually don't trade pre-NFP days based on our
Okay.
statistic and data shows. Pre-NFP days are a bit more choppy, left, right, and center. If Lawrence agree with me.
Yes, let's keep it short tomorrow.
And also Friday will be a non-stream day, and then we will be stream a little bit earlier during the Sunday stream, and we will show you guys why we say so. And then you guys can see and observe, and we would love to see you guys on Sunday coming up. And we will do a weekly forecast and also a review for the week of NFP. If you could just make couple of good trades on during the NFP week, this is a very good result to you guys already, because usually NFP week are very choppy, like up and downs, order flow are not following through, the support and resistance, whatever you guys trading in, the order blocks, the PD arrays could not just, like, how to say, not following through very well. But in a lower time frame, it could be decent to you guys. Yeah. I think the selling momentum is about time.
Waterfall lah.
After sweeping any highs,
Dumb baby gold.
come on. Okay, still in a range.
Yeah, it's this. Got no break anywhere.
Yeah, it seems like the price is ranging in this range already. So we just wait. Maybe if 5 minutes just close below, I might just go BE, I guess. But after the retest, I might be shift my SL a little bit shorter, maybe this high, 90, maybe a risk lesser, or a leaving out with a fair value gap. This could be very decent. If this just close pass by, form another fair value gap right here, or a sting in right here, yeah, could be very nice.
This candle, this current candle just close below.
Yeah, I think
From
should
my
be good to
FVG.
go already. Because in 15 minutes, the whole candle already flipped. After taking out the previous 15-minute candle high. Yeah. I think the next target definitely is here. Then eventually
Close below.
any 1 hour or 4 hour fair value gaps resting below. Okay, we are still in a 1 hour range. If the price, if the price really want to dump, maybe this protected low should be the new target at least. At here, maybe I will do half of my positions out, and then eventually leave it the rest to the full TP at 71. Yeah, about 71-ish.
Sounds good, sounds good.
Yes. The dump look decent though. Just
30 seconds left to close.
okay. 3 minute from the BPR.
3 minutes from it, yeah.
Yeah, 3 minute BPR form already. The rest just leave it to come on, just close below.
The M5 closed below never, right?
Mm-hmm.
Never
M5
mind
is,
lah. Then if it's not this candle, then it's this other candle.
yeah, hopefully just this bearish fair will get formed only.
Hmm.
Okay, 15 more minutes.
After the M5 form SLB,
Yeah,
then
we are good to
target
go.
first DOL.
Yep.
Target first DOL, close 50%, then after that for Jotes let it run.
Yeah, maybe just hit our full TP or BE out. We just, it is what it is.
Hmm.
How's NQ doing?
NQ NQ pumping bro. You go see the chart.
But what I see from 1 hour is still in 1 hour range though.
NQ. NQ broke up on the M5. NQ got BB plus. Got BB plus on the M5.
But seems like the daily sting into the daily fair value, daily BPR is it? Yeah, I think it's a daily BPR. But I don't know. I think somehow the bearish order flow could be holdings as well. I mean, I think the bearish is
I
holding.
honestly think is for NFP. NFP should be overall market go up.
Overall market going up, right? Like good for US dollar.
Yeah. Yeah. The BB plus on M5 form already. Left 3 minute. If 3 minute close solid, then
Yeah.
take it. Who is this dumb aggressive bro?
Yep. Come on. Give me some good news. I want.
How much we running now? 500 pips. I have 50 pips.
Let's see how. Show me some good ones. Close below. The 1 minute seems respecting.
Nice one lah.
Yeah. Seems like the order flow is really like holding.
This BB plus. Oh, then take the M5. We take already bro.
Jesus boys.
Wow, don't be weak, yeah. What the fuck?
It's okay. We hold.
Eh, on my MT5, it closed below already.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The BB plus form already. Live on stream, guys. Stream.
That's feel good.
I think can start to give signal already. Test the M5 FVG, then after I can take it downwards. Because the M5 is the M5 confluence with the BB, bro. I like this trade.
Yeah, same. I also like this trade.
I sent to Vetters.
Is Vetters aware?
I think so.
Nice. Two shot. Let's go.
Cooking.
Oof. What the hell, the dump? Come on.
Running 50 pips.
Yes, boys.
Let's go. Tusha asking about GJ.
GJ. Let me have a look. Yay.
Tusha, you wanna ask about GJ? This Brian very good with GJ.
Okay lah, not that good lah. So only.
He being humble now.
Nah. What the hell, bro? Okay. Okay, this could be. Okay, in a sense, it's also very good, because let me tell you why. From the forecast itself, there is a monthly fair value gap form, but this candle is a bit iffy from shorting off the monthly fair value gap. So what do I expect is I want to see a daily BPR form. So after the sting in, we does have potential daily fair value gap forming. After forming the formation of the daily fair value gaps, right, I want to see after stinging in. Wait, let me see. After stinging in this potential daily fair value gap, potential not formed yet. So after this daily fair value gaps, right, I want to see it form of another 1 hour BPR off here, something like this, a sting in with a fair value gap in, then a fair value gap out, then targeting all the way down. I think this the whole stretch right here going to be a liquidity sweep already. Yeah, my bias is sell definitely for all the yen pairs, despite because how the yen intervention, they wanted to increase the rate and everything to take out the negative interest rate from the yens. Yeah, this is what I see. Target all the way here could be decent, but remember the liquidity levels this high. This could be a equal high liquidity, but let me check on 4 hours. Is there any like good setup on it? yes, I think this thing into this overlapping could be very decent as a fair value area. Yeah, after stinging this fair value area could be doing something like, yeah, something like this. This is what I see for yen pairs, going to be a short bias for all against the yens. Any questions?
Our first DRL taken already. Steven say the BB invalid already.
The BB high is invalidated.
Yeah. The BB candle signs theory, FVG and BB invalidated already, cannot use anymore. So you cannot send the signal to them.
Oh. Let me see. Makes sense also. It's okay. We get our wins from a highest one. One more minute. But I think my signal wasn't that good.
Your signal wasn't that good. We just said, okay, I think we should sell now, bro. I was like, hey Brian, want sell now or not? They say, oh, I already sell.
Actually, I don't know lah. Maybe we all think alike though. Like we just say,
Yeah.
okay, actually like this is our setup lah. Maybe just give it a short try.
Yeah. News coming out soon.
Yeah, one more minute.
10 seconds.
Set BE.
Yeah, we secured 50%.
50%. We secured 50%. It's about 1 hour trade. Not too bad. Not too bad during an NFP week. But glad we micromanage on this trade. I think what they call the bull flag pattern was right. Right, bro.
Yeah, retail trader win. Oh.
Yeah, retail trader win, bull flags win, we all win. Okay, so no matter what kind of traders you are, be it a retail, SMC trader, ICT concepts trader, everyone can be profitable. Just be comfortable with what you having. Stevens was right. Stevens was right. The CISD candle range story as well could be decent. Next time, if there is any opportunity, maybe we get Stevens into a live to talk with you guys about candle range story. Right, I think getting late here. 10 p.m. Onlypips, Y Brian and Lawrence signing off. See you guys.
Bye guys.